Well, I just got something through the mail. It's a unboxing video. Let's see what's in it. Hi Gizmo. Gizmo there for everybody. Go on. Get out of the way. Get out of the way. Go on. Go on. Down. There you go. You really packed this up tight. There we go. Wow. The Korg Kaossilator Pro Plus. Interesting story about this. This isn't my first Kaossilator Pro Plus. The first one I had to sell to go on a holiday, to be able to afford to pay for a holiday that I didn't really go on because we were with Thomas Cook and they went down the pan. So, you know, but I promised myself that if I ever had enough money again, I would rebuy it. So that's what I've done. I've rebought it. Okay, let's get this box open once Gizmo's finished having a sniff. You silly little thing. But I love you. Alright, let's get this open. Now, it's a lot smaller than I remember it being. Ooh, here we go. Here is the Kaossilator Pro Plus. Like I said, a lot smaller than I remember it being. And it's an American plug. Well, yeah, I got it from America, so it would be an American plug. But never fear. Adapter is here. Get my scissors. No, that's not going to work. Right, it's a bit of a chore to get into. Oh, there's two. Please tell me I can do it. Yeah, there we go. Cord's a bit small. It's a bit short of a cord. So that's where the extension cable comes in handy. Right, and that, plug that in, plug in the headphones, and boom, there we have it. Kaossilator Pro Plus. It would help if I had it turned up. Let's have a little blast. Oh. Well, yeah, so there we have it, the Korg Kaossilator Pro Plus, and just had a little jam on it. we go. Thanks for watching, and this was just a little demo, you know, seeing what I can do on it. Erase the loop. I'll start making proper tunes on it, I think, later on tonight. I might go on Facebook and do Facebook Live. Yeah, so catch me then. Bye.